This is the biggest park and amazing line of trees, 100-year trees. You can see, wow, the biggest tree in the world. 1,000-year-old trees. Park. Like graveyard of trees. Really amazing. See both sides. See the beauty of this area. Small kids. Wow. You see, amazing really. Something that you never saw, such a amazing tree jungle. 2,000 year back. Old trees. See, Macmillan Provincial Park. Impact of nature forces. So all trees they fell down. Here they make the graveyard for the trees. See, phenomenal jungle. Wow. Amazing. See, a lot of people coming. See the beauty of this area. It won 2,000. You, these kids. Hello, how are you? Climbing. So very beautiful. Hello. You see this tree jungle? And from here, both sides. Wow, see how much this big tree look like. Wow. Kids is playing. Just a minute, it will. See. Oh. This kid. And there is some trees, they say that, like caves. Lot of people. Inspired by this cave. This is the oldest tree, I think. That's why says 1000 years. Oldest tree in the world.
They can live
A
to
big
be
tree.
over 1,000 years old.
No. The size of an adult.
Hey guys, let somebody try and take a picture.
Yeah, no problem. No, let them play, no problem. Let them just. So you see how beautiful. Hello. This is also oldest tree. Lot of tourists coming. Living stump. Oh, amazing. One of the wonder in the world. This tree is also very big. Huge, beautiful. And this falling. This thousands of tourists coming here because of that wonder. Cave tree. So it's huge jungle that you cannot cover even. Few hours is required to cover whole area. It's like big jungle in the world. This is the cave. Oh, it's fall down. It's maybe fall down anytime. I hope you did enjoy this beautiful today rainy day.
Yeah. Okay, you saw Weston? Yeah, you gotta stop moving if you want to get a picture of it.
Oh, it's wonder. So a lot of people continually coming. Outside. This is the car parking, and that is the main area.